hello singers. So we only have a couple more weeks of school and music left to do, and I wanted to do something that we don't normally get a chance to do because we're usually very busy this time of year doing our performances. But in June is coming up an important number of holidays, but one is Father's Day. We usually don't get a chance to do a tribute for our fathers. So think of, it could be for your dad or your grandpa or your favorite uncle would love, I'm sure, to see you do this musical tribute to them. And it's just a lot of fun. It's a really fun and simple song to learn that is to a swing tune. And I love swing music. It's just a whole lot of fun. I love to swing dance and I love swing bands. And I might send you some more swing music to watch too. So now the repeated word that you're going to say a lot is happy, happy Father's Day. So say that. Happy, happy Father's Day. See, you got half the song already. So, and we're going to do some snaps in this song. So if you can snap, great. If you're still working on it, just do your best. If you can't, you could just tap your fingers and pretend, and that's okay too. So here we go. We're going to do happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We hope you're doing A-OK. Oh, happy Father's Day. So try it with me. Happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We hope you're doing A-OK. Oh, happy Father's Day. Good. So the next part's almost the same, except instead of we hope you're doing A-OK, we're going to do we're sending happy thoughts your way. So say we're sending happy thoughts your way. Good. Stick in your head. And here we go. Happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We're sending happy thoughts your way. Oh, happy Father's Day. Hey! So there's a little hey at the end of each one too. So let's put those two together. You have half the song already. How about that? All right, so here we go. Happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We hope you're doing A-OK. Oh, happy Father's Day. Hey! Happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We're sending happy thoughts your way. Oh, happy Father's Day. Hey! All right, so you're halfway through. Awesome. Now here's the little chorus part that's different, the little bridge chorus. And we're going to do a little side snap like we're so cool. So one way and then jump to the other. So when it comes around this year, and then you're going to jump, boom, let us make it very clear. So try that with me. When it comes around this year, let us make it very clear. Good. And then it's listen to our little cheer. So we're going to do back to front again. Listen to our little cheer. Listen to our little cheer. So we're going to do when it comes around this year, let us make it very clear. Listen to our little cheer. And now here's our cheer. We're going to roll our hand and just count to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You deserve a day to celebrate. So do that cheer with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You deserve a day to celebrate. Awesome! You're almost there. So let's put it, and here's our last little, let's do that cheer part one more time from our bridge. So when it comes around this year, let us make it very clear. Listen to our little cheer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You deserve a day to celebrate. All right, now here is the trickiest part, and it's really, I think, the most fun part too. So it's just hey, clap, clap, hey, clap, clap, and then hey, clap. So it's a little pattern. You're going to do hey, clap, clap, hey, clap, clap, hey, clap. Try that with me. Hey, clap, clap, hey, clap, clap, hey, clap. Try it one more time. Hey, clap, clap, hey, clap, clap, hey, clap. And then you're going to do Happy Father's Day, hey. So here we go. Hey, clap, clap, hey, clap, clap, hey, clap. Happy Father's Day, hey. And then we do the part that we already know. So we do, happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We hope you're doing A-okay. Oh, happy Father's Day. Again, here we go. Happy, happy Father's Day. Happy, happy Father's Day. We're sending happy thoughts your way. Oh, happy Father's Day. Hey, don't forget your hays. And then we have a big finish. Happy Fathers, happy Fathers, happy Father's Day. Hey, all right, so that's it. Try it with me. I'm gonna do it with the background music and you can do your big performance. Awesome job, you guys. And think of someone that you can brighten up their day. You guys are great.